بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق۔
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق۔
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم۔
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے۔
الذی علم بالقلم۔
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم۔
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم. Good morning. I welcome all the parents and the students of BCS as usual with my open arms. Today we have passed the horrible year of 2020. Now we have entered in the year 2021. I wish you all, behalf of this BCS, a happy new year. May Allah bring prosperity to our nation, to our school, to each and everyone, and especially for the students. May Allah open the schools on regular basis so that the students may take the academic year very nicely. What we have lost, forget it, because there is a silver line. A dark cloud has a silver lining. So my dear students and my dear nation, I congratulate you all a very happy new year on 2021. But let us all pray that may Allah save us from the contagious diseases of coronavirus. Ameen. I commence my lecture in the name of Allah. Yesterday I had taught you about the prepositions, and I hope you have understood, and in the week 5, 6, 7 you are going to get more and more knowledge about prepositions. Now come to the point. I commence my lecture in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today I am going to teach you about tenses. What are tenses? I think you know it very well, because I am going to teach you present progressive, past progressive and future progressive. Actually, students, up till now we were reading the parts of speech. Now, tenses means a standard grammar, an international grammar. You're going to make the sentences according to rules. So let's start the class. Present progressive tense, or it is also known as present continuous tense, and its uses. If we don't know the uses, then it's useless to know about the tenses. The present progressive is used, number one, for an action going on at the time of speaking. When the action is going on, suppose so if I say, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm taking your tele classes. Okay? And then she is singing. That means at this moment, at this time, she is singing. Boys are playing hockey. Boys are playing hockey. That means the action is going on. The action is going on. The action is going on. Then, second, for an action that has already been arranged to take place in the near future. For example, I will be going at seashore. I have planned it before only. I have planned and I I'm going to act upon that plan. So, what was my plan? I will be going at seashore. Uncle will be arriving tomorrow. Uncle will be arriving tomorrow. Now, I hope you have understood. Now we will do the sentences of present progressive with its formula. See students, if there is no formula, then it is useless. Ask your mother, when she makes a biryani, she has the formula, she has a recipe. She will not make biryani without the formula. So just imagine, how can you make the sentences without the formulas? So please see the formulas and do the work. Excuse me, Miss गलत हो गया, मैं फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव कर दी. Present progressive tense, देख लीजिएगा, मैं वही लिखी क्या, is MR. Formula of affirmative. What is the formula? How to make a sentence? Like subject plus helping verb is and are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. You know, verb first form plus ing means present participle. What does it mean? Present participle. Present participle. Number one, mother is preparing tea. Number two, teacher is teaching grammar. Number three, students are making noise. Mother is preparing tea. माँ चाय बना रही है. Teacher is teaching grammar. Students are making noise. Now, this was the formula of affirmative present progressive or present continuous tense. I hope you have understood. Verb first form plus ing means present participle. Now, let's move to the negative. Subject plus helping verb, you know, is MR, is am, are, plus not, plus present participle. Present participle, okay, I will write verb first form for your easiness, plus ing, plus object. Okay? The washerman is not washing clothes. The washerman is not washing clothes. It's very simple, nothing. See, the washerman is washing clothes. This has become affirmative. For negative, after the helping verb, you will just apply not. The washerman is not washing clothes. Number two, the boys are not flying kites. The boys are not flying kites. I hope you have understood. This is the helping verb, this is the helping verb. After the helping verb, you are going to just apply or add not. Then number 3, the peon is not ringing the bell. The peon is not ringing the bell. Have you seen? After the helping verbs, you are just going to apply not. It's very simple, nothing difficult. Grammar is just to understand. Now let's come to the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we start the sentence with the helping verb. Okay? Helping verb, what is the helping verb? Is, am, are. Okay? Plus subject, plus verb first form, plus ing, plus object, plus question mark. Okay? There should be a difference between affirmative, negative and interrogative. What will be the difference? The sign of the interrogative. Then you will understand it is a question. Are the students making noise? Then what you have to do? You have to put an. If you don't mark the question mark, it means your sentence is wrong. Punctuation marks are very necessary. Are the students making noise? Now see. The students are making noise. This has become affirmative. But if you place are in front of this, it becomes a question. Are the students making noise? Is the baby weeping? Okay? Am I teaching you ELT? Okay? Now see, now I have shown you affirmative, negative and interrogative of present progressive tense or present continuous tense. It's very simple and you will construct your own sentences with the help of the formula. Everything will be in the solution, don't worry about it. Now come to the past progressive tense. Past progressive tense always shows you the action which has been done in the past. Okay? The action which has been done is, am, are representing the present progressive, was and were are representing the past progressive tenses. Actually, beta, students, the past progressive tenses was we use with the singular number I, he, she, it, and we use the pronoun were with the helping verb with the plurals. Okay. Number 1, I was teaching E1. That means now I am not teaching E1. I was teaching. It is an past action. which I had been doing. Okay, number 2. My father was driving car fastly. That means it was in past action, but now he is not doing that. Okay? Then number 3. My uncle was buying a gift. So it is all, whenever we are going to use was and were, then number 4, the was were swimming into the river. ठीक? When there is singular, we will use was. When there is plural, we will use were. It is simple like present progressive. Instead of is, am, are, you are going to use was and were. The same formula is with the negative. Affirmative formula was subject plus was, were plus object. No, was, were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, then negative. Negative formula is subject plus was, were plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, now see, the boys were not attending the class. The same thing, look at the board. If we remove not, it will become affirmative. The boys were attending the class. What you have to do after was or were, you will just apply not. The boys were not attending the class. The teacher was not punishing me. Then we got the Hume was not performing his duties properly. See, after were, not, after was, not, after was, not. So, after the helping verb, whether it is present participle or whether it is, am, are, or whether it is was, were, for negative formula, we will always use not after the helping verbs. I hope you might have understood. Here, just look at the bold. Same formula, instead of is, am, are, we are using was, were. Okay? Interrogative is was, were, plus subject, plus verb first form, plus ing, plus object, plus question mark. Okay? Was the boy running on the road? Okay? Number 2, were they enjoying were they enjoying the party? Number three, was she teaching you Sindhi? Okay, now we have completed the interrogative of the past progressive or the past continuous tense with the formulas. Always remember, to construct a sentence, we always need formulas. So please don't miss the formulas. You will make your own sentences. Future progressive tense or future continuous tense. Okay? Future progressive tense is always tense is future progressive tense is applied as a planning of future which number one, the boys will be writing an essay. What will be the formula of affirmative? Will you tell me? Subject plus will plus be, plus verb first form plus ing plus object. The boys will be writing an essay. That means they have already planned and the work has been started. Okay? Number two, they will be buying a new flat. That means the work has already been settled and the work is on action. You will be flying to London. Okay. So what? The boys will be writing an essay. They will be buying a new flat. You will be flying to London. Now, negative. Subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. The woodcutter will not be cutting the wood. See, there is a little bit difference in future progressive. After will, you will add not and then you will write be. Okay? The woodcutter will not be cutting the wood, number one. Number two, the schoolmaster will not be announcing the result. the result. Okay? Number 3, the children will not be playing in the ground. The woodcutter will not be cutting wood. The schoolmaster will not be announcing the result. The children will not be playing in the ground. Okay? I hope you're writing the formula. Formula is very necessary to construct the sentences. Without the formula, you cannot construct a sentence. Remember that. And you can't even cram. You can cram in other subjects, but not grammar. You have to just understand. Now, interrogative. Will plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Will the students be taking teddy class? Will mother be baking a cake? Will my sister be stitching a new dress? I hope you have seen the formulas, you have seen everything. Make a title page, video assignment. Make a beautiful title page. Make 5 sentences of each. Present progressive, past progressive and future progressive, and convert them into negative and interrogative sentences. Make 5 sentences of each. Make 5 sentences of present progressive tense, 5 sentences of past progressive tense, and 5 sentences of future progressive tense, and you will convert them into negative and interrogative. Thank you so much. I think you have understood. We'll meet again with the passive voice, inshallah. I hope if you did not understand anything, you can consult the management. Thank you very much. Have a nice and celebrate Jummah, and Jummah has come on the 1st January. God has given us special prayers to pray for the year 2021. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.